Hypospadias Stent single J with string, used for stenting the urethra during hypospadias repair and to allow post-operative drainage of the bladder. The kit contains malleable metal straightener and hypospadias stent with string. Insert the metal stylet to straighten the pigtail. Insert the stent into the urethra and advance into the bladder. Use the metal stylet to guide the stent along the wall of urethra. Remove the stylet once the stent is in position. Secure the pigtail by pulling the string and wind it to the slot and clamp it. To remove the stent, unwind the suture and cut at the hub portion.